Okay, class 8, this is your part 2 video from exercise 13.1. Okay, and today we start from question number 5. Okay, in question number 5 you see how many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is A 144, B 160, C 156. Okay, so how many sides of the regular polygon? Polygons means figures, that is quadrilateral. 4 sides called quadrilateral, 3 sides called triangle, 5 sides called pentagon, 6 side hexagon, 7 side heptagon, septagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon, 10 side decagon, like this manner. Okay, so how many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is 144? So we know that interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180. Done. So in place of interior angle we write down 144 plus exterior angle equals to 180 degree. Therefore exterior angle equals to 180 minus 144, that is 36. Okay, we get the value of exterior angle 36. Now time for the number of sides. So number of sides equals to 360 by measure of each exterior angle. Okay, so 360, each exterior angle means what? 36. So number of sides of this figure is 10 side. Okay, so 3, 5 sub part A answer is 10 side. Now turn for the B, same process. Interior angle plus exterior angle equals to 180. So interior angle is 160 plus exterior angle equals to 180. Exterior equals to 180 minus 160, that is 20. Okay, so number of sides equals to 360 by each exterior angle. So 360 by 20, that is 18 sides. Done. Now for C, same process. Interior plus exterior equals to 180. Interior is 150. Exterior equals to 180. So exterior equals to 180 minus 156, that is 24. So number of sides equals to 360 by each exterior angle. So 360 by 24, that is 15. Okay, 15 sides. Note. Question number 7. Find the sum of interior angles of polygon having number A 7 sides and number B 11 sides. Okay, so first of all we know the formula sum of interior angle. Sum of interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90. So 2 in place of n we write down 7 minus 4 into 90. So 2 7 ja 14 minus 4 into 90. This is 10 into 90, that is 900. Done. Sum of interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90, 2 into 11 minus 4 into 90. So 22 minus 4 into 90, that is 18 into 90, 162. Okay, note. Now exercise 13.2 is start. From question number 2, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:3:5:6. Find each angle. Find each angle. Okay, first of all we understood what the question is. The angles of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided. There each angle is given in the ratio form. What the ratio? 1:3:5:6. Okay, let the angles of a quadrilateral be 1x, 3x, 5x and 6x. Done. This is 1x, 3x, 5x and 6x. This is quadrilateral, four-sided. First of all, we calculate the sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral. So sum of interior angle equals to, know the formula, 2n minus 4 into 90. So 2n means 4 minus 4 into 90. So 8 minus 4 into 90. So 4 into 90, that is 360. So sum of interior angle of this quadrilateral is 360. Okay, so sum of interior angle, that is 1x plus 3x plus 5x plus 6x equals to 360, because we know that sum of this interior angle equals to 360. So 1 3 4 4 5 9 9 6 15x equals to 360. So x equals to 360 by 15. So 360, 2s are 30, 4s are, so 24. Value of x is 24. So 1x, that means 24 into 1 is 24 degree. 3x, 24 into 3, that is 72. 5x, 24 into 5, that is 120. 6x, 24 into 6, that is 144. Note. Okay, question number 3. The sum of two opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 280. The other two angles are equal. Find measures of the equal angles. Okay, so the sum of two opposite angle, this is quadrilateral. The sum of two opposite quadrilateral is 280 and the other two angles are equal. Let these two angles are equal. Okay, so let two equal angle be x. Okay, and name them this, the sum of two opposite angles. The sum of two opposite angles, this is considered A and B. So sum of this one, that is sum of A and B, is 180 degree, given is 280 degrees. Sum of two opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 280 and the other two angles are equal. Find the measure of the equal angles. Oh, so find the measures of the equal angle. That means only you just calculate the value of x. Question is written, find the measure of just only equal angles, the value of the equal angle. Okay, so this is quadrilateral. So sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 2n minus 4 into 90. So 2 into 4 minus 4 into 90, that is 8 minus 4 into 90. So 4 into 90 is 360. Done. Okay, so x plus a plus b equals to 360. Visually write, because sum of all interior angle equals to 360. X 2x. In place of a plus b, we write down sum of two opposite angle is 280. So in place of a plus b, we write down 280 equals to 360. So 2x equals to 360 minus 280. So that is 80. So x equals to 80 by 2, that is 40. So the equal angle is 40 degree, 40 degree. Okay, note. Now turn for question number 5. The four angles of a quadrilaterals are equal. Find measures of each angle. Okay, the four angles of a quadrilaterals are equal. That means this one x, 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 x. Okay, let equal angle of quadrilateral be x. Okay, we know that sum of interior angle 2n minus 4 into 90, that is 2 into 4, 1 2 3 4 sides, minus 4 into 90. So 8 minus 4 into 90. So 4 into 90, that is 360. So x plus x plus x plus x equals to 360. Okay, so 4x equals to 360, x equals to 360 by 4, that is 90 degree. So the measure of the each angle is 90 degree. Note. Measure of question number 4. If three angles of a quadrilateral are 75, 110 and 60, find measure of fourth angle. So the three angles of a quadrilateral is 75, 110, 60. Find the fourth angle. Okay, so let fourth angle be x. Okay, so sum of interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90. So 2 into 4 minus 4 into 90, 8 minus 4 into 90. So 4 into 90, that is 360. Okay, so this is 75 plus 110 plus 60 plus x equals to 360. So it's 170, 240, that is 245 plus x equals to 360. So x equals to 360 minus 245, that is 115. Okay, note.